Garmin inReach Mini 2. Text your mom from the wilderness, escape bears, and never get lost again. Introducing the Garmin inReach Mini 2, the tiny, tough, take-it-anywhere satellite communicator that makes cell phones look clingy and outdated. Weighing just 3.5 ounces and packing more survival instinct than a whole scout troop, this pocket-sized powerhouse lets you text from the top of Everest or the depths of the Grand Canyon. Yeah, for real. Thanks to the Iridium global satellite network, you'll always have two-way messaging and interactive SOS backup no matter where your boots take you. So go ahead, disconnect from Wi-Fi and reconnect with wild things, without ghosting your loved ones back home. Ever wandered too far and realized, wait, where am I? Say hello to TracBack routing, your built-in breadcrumb trail that navigates you back the exact way you came. You'll also get a digital compass that still works when you're standing still, because sometimes you gotta stop and snack. Whether you're hiking solo or venturing into backcountry unknowns, the MapShare, tracking and Garmin Explore app let you plan routes, share live locations, and send check-ins so your family doesn't call the park rangers on day one. Compared to bulky, overpriced SATCOM gear, the inReach Mini 2 is a minimalistic miracle. It's IPX7 water-rated, MALSTD810 tough, and battery pack with up to 14 days of tracking in 10-minute intervals. Forget burning fuel driving back for signal, this saves gas, time, and those awkward I got lost stories. And the SOS feature? It's not just a button, it connects you with Garmin's 24/7 response center, staffed by real humans, not bots, ready to get you help, fast. It's peace of mind in your palm. What makes the inReach Mini 2 totally worth it isn't just the emergency features, it's the freedom it gives. Use it to pair with Garmin watches, handhelds, or the Garmin Explore app for full trip integration. Get weather forecasts on the go, message trail buddies, or just make sure your friends know you made it to the summit, without eating your rations early. It's a GPS, lifeline, trip planner, and therapist in one, all without bulking up your pack or draining your wallet. So here's the bottom line. Whether you're scaling peaks, paddling into nowhere, or hiking just far enough to lose bars, Garmin inReach Mini 2 has your back. It's compact. It's rugged. It's smart. And it literally keeps you connected when everything else falls flat. You don't need to be Bear Grylls to justify owning one, you just need to value your safety and want to make it home for pizza. This is tech-tested, trail-approved, and the only companion you'll ever need in the wild, unless you bring your dog, of course.